Homeowners want the best of both worlds, beautiful views and natural light without sacrificing privacy. Achieving that balance can be challenging, especially in neighborhoods where homes are closer together or outdoor activity is part of everyday life. For homeowners in Mandeville, double-hung windows offer a smart and flexible solution that makes it easier to enjoy outdoor views while maintaining personal privacy indoors. Why privacy and views often compete. Windows are designed to bring in light and connect indoor spaces with the outdoors. However, large or poorly positioned windows can leave homeowners feeling exposed. In Mandeville homes, finding the right balance is especially important in living rooms, bedrooms, and front-facing spaces where visibility from outside may be higher. Double-hung windows help manage this balance more effectively than many other window styles. How double-hung windows offer flexible control. Double-hung windows feature two operable sashes, one on top and one on the bottom. This design gives homeowners more control over how the window is used throughout the day. For Mandeville homeowners, the ability to open the top sash while keeping the bottom closed is especially valuable. Fresh air and light can enter from above while maintaining privacy at eye level. Enjoying natural light without feeling exposed. Natural light improves comfort and makes rooms feel more open, but privacy concerns often lead homeowners to keep blinds or curtains closed. Double-hung windows allow Mandeville residents to enjoy daylight from the upper portion of the window without fully exposing the interior. This reduces the need to block light just to maintain privacy. Preserving views where they matter most. Not all views are equal. Some homeowners want to enjoy scenery from certain angles while limiting visibility from others. With double-hung windows, Mandeville homeowners can customize how much of the window is open or unobstructed. Lower portions can be covered for privacy, while upper areas remain clear to frame sky, trees, or surrounding landscapes. Improving comfort in living and sleeping areas. Privacy concerns often affect bedrooms and living rooms the most. These spaces should feel comfortable and secure. Double-hung windows help Mandeville homeowners feel at ease in these rooms. The flexible sash design supports airflow and light while reducing the feeling of being on display. Supporting airflow without sacrificing privacy. Ventilation is important, but opening a window doesn't have to mean opening your home to outside view. By opening only the top sash, double-hung windows allow warm air to escape and fresh air to circulate without exposing the interior. Mandeville homeowners appreciate this option, especially during mild weather. Enhancing street-facing rooms. Front-facing rooms often present the biggest privacy challenges. Large windows can make homeowners feel visible from the street. Double-hung windows offer a practical solution for Mandeville homes by allowing light and air to enter from higher window sections, keeping private areas shielded. Working well with window treatments. Double-hung windows pair well with a variety of window coverings. Homeowners can cover the lower sash while leaving the upper sash open and uncovered. This layered approach helps Mandeville homeowners fine-tune privacy and views throughout the day without sacrificing comfort or style. Maintaining a balanced exterior appearance. While privacy is important inside, exterior appearance still matters. Double-hung windows maintain a classic, balanced look from the outside. Mandeville homeowners benefit from windows that enhance curb appeal while supporting interior privacy needs. A practical window choice for everyday living. Balancing privacy and views doesn't have to be complicated. The right window design makes it manageable. For homeowners in Mandeville, double-hung windows offer a practical way to enjoy natural light, outdoor views, and fresh air without sacrificing privacy. Their flexible operation supports comfortable, confident living, making them a smart choice for homes where privacy and openness need to coexist.